Certainly. Death Road, also known as Camino de la Muerte or Yungas Road, refers to a treacherous and infamous road located in Bolivia, South America. Here is some informational data about Death Road. Death Road is situated in the Yungas region of Bolivia, connecting the capital city of La Paz to the town of Coroico. The road was originally built in the 1930s and gained its notorious reputation due to its high fatality rate. It was primarily used as a trade route before a safer alternative was constructed. Length and terrain. The Death Road stretches approximately 43 miles, 70 kilometers, and is characterized by narrow lanes, steep cliffs, sharp turns, and unpredictable weather conditions. It winds through the Andes Mountains, with sections reaching an altitude of over 15,000 feet, 4,600 meters. The road gained international attention for its extreme danger, earning the title of the world's most dangerous road. The combination of its narrowness, lack of guardrails, frequent fog, rain, landslides, and steep drops off the cliffs contributed to numerous accidents and fatalities. Despite its risks, Death Road has become a popular destination for adventure seekers and cyclists. Some tour companies offer guided downhill cycling trips along the road, allowing participants to experience the breathtaking scenery and adrenaline rush. In recent years, Bolivia has constructed a new, safer road to replace Death Road. This paved highway has significantly reduced traffic on the treacherous path, reducing the risk of accidents. Nevertheless, portions of the original road are still accessible for those seeking a challenging adventure. Due to its notoriety and stunning landscapes, Death Road has become a tourist attraction. Visitors can explore the region and marvel at the breathtaking views, cascading waterfalls, and dense forests along the route. It's important to note that while Death Road continues to attract adventurers, caution and safety should always be a top priority. Proper equipment, experienced guides, and following safety guidelines are crucial when engaging in any activities related to Death Road.